SB19 Daily Updates. Well, pag-usapan natin mamaya ang nasabi nga pong konsyerto. But anyway, narito po ang ilan sa mga success ng kanta ng SB19. Ang Simula at Wakas Concert, Tracks, Dam, total streams 37,135,695. Time, 10,295,683. Stoneball, 6,187. Quit, 6 million plus. Shooting for the Stars, 5 million plus. Dunka, 12 million plus. And Dam Extended Burr, 12 million for a total streams count of 90,422,024. Hindi lang yan, nagpasalamat din ang SB19 sa patuloy na pagsuporta ng Indonesian collaboration version ng MAPA. Mula sa SB19 post, Facebook, MAPA Indonesian version 1 million Spotify streams. We've reached 1 million streams for MAPA Indonesian version. Thank you for making this song a part of you and your parents' stories. Hindi nga maikakaila na hindi lamang dito sa Pilipinas, sikat na sikat ang SB19 at inaabangan ang kanilang mga konsyerto. Kasi ba naman, what you see is what you get talaga. Personal live man, makikita mo ang galing nila sa pagkanta. At, syempre, ang kanilang Dam na kanta, umabot na ng 37 million streams on Spotify. So, Spotify team for SB19, bago namin pakawalan isang katanungan, anong pakiramdam? SB19 Dam now has 37 million streams on Spotify. This track is more than just a song, it's a battle cry. Let your voices be heard, stream it loud, stream it proud. Samantala, tignan naman natin ang mga top songs sa bawat bansa kung saan ay ine-airing nga ang kanilang mga kanta na hindi nawawala sa top. Top Songs Philippines July 4, 2025, number 185, Dam SB19. Top Artist UAE July 4, 2025, number 41, SB19. And the Top Artist Saudi Arabia July 4, 2025, hashtag 101 SB19. Top Artist Hong Kong July 4, 2025, 148 SB19. And Top Artist Philippines July 4, 2025, number 39 SB19. Samantala, sa Spotify team for SB19, what a journey it has been from the comeback on February 28, the birth of Dam, and now Simula at Wakas has reached an incredible 90 million streams on Spotify, all in just 126 days. Grabe. We owe this milestone to you, yes, you who streams the songs and supports them wholeheartedly. We may not always be the biggest in numbers, but the dedication and love you show through every streams is truly powerful and deeply appreciated. Let's continue to grow together by sharing this music and letting the world hear the story we've been proud be part of the world. Music. Well, yan ang ating latest update sa SB19. Tumutok lang po for more showbiz update. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Images are all credit to the rightful owners.